Alright folks, welcome to the Dirty Glove Garden. Today we're going to have a look at our bird feeding setup and share some tips and tricks. Come with me, let's have a look how it all works. Alright, have a look at the setup here. Yes, it is actually all my bird feeding stations are on a washing line, but that is going to change because we've got the Roam Wild pest off bird feeding station that we're going to set up, but that's another video. This is set up, we're quite lucky, we've got some woodlands behind us, so we get a lot of birds. We get great tits, blue and grey tits, we get nutcracker, we get parakeets, we get the great spotted woodpecker as well, but we also get blackbirds, crows, I don't know if they're crows actually, magpies and squirrels, which we don't want, but hopefully we'll sort that out with the Roam Wild. But anyway, this is what we've got. Peanut feeder, that's a big hit. Then we've got the seed feeder. It's a perch type setup. Seed feeder here. These are from Pets at Home. Really good. They weren't too expensive. Can't remember exactly how much they were. Probably under £10 each at least. And they've got metal bits here and strong plastic. So it was really good. This was rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. But anyway, so this is set up. Got the peanut feeder, got the seed feeder. Let's check out what we actually use to feed them. Right, so this is not actually Ronseal Fence Life Plus. This is where I keep the feed. Keep it in a tub, because that way it'll keep pests away and it'll keep it secure. So this is what we've got. We've got the peanut feed. Now the peanut feed, just get the basic one. This is from B&M Bargains. It is more expensive than the normal wild seed, but just get the value one. This is a 2 kg bag, maybe £5-6. But like I said, the value one because they love the peanuts. Right, so that's what you got there. Then you've got the seed mix. So I would advise against getting the value one. This is the value one here, seed mix. What does it say here? It's a blend. But this one hasn't been great. You can see here it's mainly husks, and there's not many the sunflower hearts or anything like that in there. But what has been popular on the seed feed is these Peckish brand. This is more expensive. Every now and again you can get it on offer. Winter warmer, but you can use it all year round. And this, you can see, actually you can visibly see the difference in terms of the quality. It's got a lot more seeds in there. Again, that's good for your usual, the blue tit, the robin, all of those. And also another good one is this one here, the Peckish complete. This isn't the winter version, this is the no mess seed blend. So this basically doesn't root and sprout and all of that. So that's really good, but they're slightly more expensive. That is the bird feed setup. Like I said, very popular here. Works really well, apart from the fact that we have the magpies and the squirrels, but we'll sort that out. We'll sort that out with the Roam Wild, and we'll see how that goes. But yeah, give it a go. Let me know how you get on. I'll see you on the next one.